गछ कखारू ये कखारू 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 1 किलो 20 आधा किलो 15 जल्दी आओ
45 टका किना रेट अछि.
It's taken about 30 to 40 kilometers of travel for these farmers to make it here. One of the many large, bustling markets in the city of Rourkela in Odisha. To make it in good time, they leave their homes early and often return late at night. Within these hours, there is always the pressure to sell as much and as quickly. As the day gets hotter, there is every chance of their product spoiling.
40-50 20 भी बिकुथिलु आ न सरले कम रेट रे भी दे दउथिलु आ घर नै जाउथिलु आ गाय गोरु को दे देउथिलु आ का कर.
Without any infrastructure to preserve what's left, distressed sales are common. For small farmers like Neera, this means losing a week's worth of effort in a single day. In busy markets like Rourkela, hundreds of kilos of produce can rot before they are even sold.
मु नहीं कि घर को पळौथली गाड़ी भड़ा करी कि टेम्पो आनिबो जो टेम्पो से टेम्पो रे नहीं कि पळौथली 25% माने 25% नष्ट होतला.
As one of the largest food producers in the world, India harvests more than 300 million metric tons of fruits and vegetables each year. Yet, a large portion never makes it to our plates. Every year, the country loses more than 1.5 trillion tons of produce as post-harvest losses, mainly because of the absence of reliable cold storage facilities. For the average farmer, this means income loss even in years of good harvest.
We found out that much of the cold storage, around 80% of the cold storage were not that functional. The problem was that the location was the problem because of the unreliable grid. There was no farmer awareness about that cold room.
As the founder of a local agri-tech company working on post-harvest solutions, Sandhya Nayak is one of the frontliners trying to address this glaring gap. Working with the Rourkela Municipal Corporation, the aim here is to build a chain of local, sustainable cold storage solutions that could actually benefit the average farmer. These solar-powered mini cold rooms are run entirely by local women. 48-year-old Tulsi Das is the president of the Jai Mata Di self-help group and operations in charge of this cold room at Traffic Gate. It is up to her to help the supply chain moving in one of Rourkela's busiest markets.
कोल्ड रूम रे गोटे फार्मर तार गोटे ट्रे तो हमर 25 किलो थाउची गोटे ट्रे रे दिन को 3 टका दउची जदि 300 टका तार गोटे दिन नष्ट हो जाउची 3 टका जदि बंची पारुची तो से काहे न रखी बंचेबो पैसाटा फ्रेश रखुची जिंस भलो रहउची 3 टका रे आराम रखी कि नै पार जिंसटा.
The localized model is an attempt at disrupting the national cold chain market, still monopolized by wholesalers and middlemen. By offering a minimum rate that is logistically easier to access, it is designed keeping the small farmer in mind.
So every cold room is set up near to that, they have that block has access to this marketplace. Like in Traffic, the Bisra block farmers have readily access to this cold room. Here in market, we found out that there are very small farmers. Their production quantity is also less. So having a large cold room would be a loss occurring thing. So having small cold rooms will be a perfect solution.
To run on solar power ensures that one doesn't need to depend on an unreliable grid.
The solar panels of all the 5 sets cumulative is around 80 kilowatt. So per year there is a saving of around 1 lakh units. 1 lakh unit saving is done. Yeah. These cold storages are, you can see it is a reliable cold storage with 24/7 supply, because in the daytime it runs with the solar energy, and during the night time it has a backup of thermal storage.
Attention to detail is key in optimizing the system, Tulasi tells us. For instance, if tomatoes are plucked along with their stems before storage, they stay fresh longer.
विभिन्न टेम्परेचर सेट अच्छी सब जिन जे सब जगह पूरे देवु ना सब जगार सब जिन सेट अच्छी सेट हिसाब से आम मेम्बर मैंने से काम करती.
Placing women at the forefront in running the model has not just ensured livelihood stability, but also provided them with agency. The women here don't just manage operations, but play an advisory role, heralding a significant shift in power dynamics.
ये पोस्टर काम कलापर मार्केट में गले आमको लोक हसुले कथा कही शिखी ना क्या सागर कनेक्ट ना केमती कौन कर तो बहुत प्रकार कथा भी कहते तो आम से खातिर करूँ किंतु आम से कामटा कलु पाखक गलु सागर कथबार्ता हेलु गोटे गोटे मीटिंग कराला गैदरिंग कला आउ कि ऑफिस सपोर्ट भी थिला तो से बुझाला से धीरे धीरे जिनस को आणिकी रखा आरंभ कले आमको से भरोसा नाला जहाँ आम से भरोसा पाई जाइए.
It is still dark when Sumina starts her day. Today, it is her turn to collect vegetables from the mandi and deposit them at the Panpush market cold room. All 10 women from her self-help group take turns running operations. This means receiving produce from farmers, maintaining temperature logs, managing deliveries, and running the organic community store.
आउटा गोटे रेगुलर इनकम हो गला माने आगरे आपन को तो कहली मु आगरे हमर इनकम नथिला माने होउतला हां ना रे किंतु एबे गोटे रेगुलर गोटे लागु कि हां को जगह रे हम गोटे जॉब कलु प्रथम सेल थिला 500 तापर 5000 आसिला किंतु आज का डेट रे आमे मंथली रे आमे सेल करूछु 7 लाख प्लस ही आमे सेल करूछु एबे.
In the age of climate change, the need for a robust cold chain ecosystem has become even more urgent. With more and more warmer days, unseasonal rainfall, and droughts creating unprecedented damage, those like Neera are hit the hardest.
1 क्विंटल 2 क्विंटल 3 क्विंटल बहुत कम होछि एथरो काहे के एते होछि से क्विंटल जगह रे 50 30 सेमती होछि.
To be able to optimize a good year of harvest has now become imperative.
पनीपरिबा बचुछि सेटा कोल्ड रूम रे रखि दउछु आउ हमर कोल्ड रूम रे रखुछु खने नष्ट नाइ होछि पनीपरिबा पूरा भल रहउछि आउ दिने आसी करी सेटा बिकि दउछु.
This cold room has not only given the storage solution, but they have given the farmer the power to like when to sell, how to sell, and earn whatever is rightly earned. They can earn the right amount.
Across the 5 markets in Rourkela, more than 1,500 farmers are today linked to these cold rooms. About 500 to 600 use them regularly, and the number is reportedly growing.
So now this idea has been replicated to around approximately 40 cities in Odisha, which covers up to 60 cold rooms.
One of the challenges likely in scaling the model could be the high upfront costs in setting up a solar-powered system. The Rourkela model, developed by the Rourkela Municipal Corporation and UNDP and supported by Bloomberg Philanthropies, ensures that both infrastructure and annual maintenance are covered for the first 5 years. Meanwhile, zipping through city lanes on their e-rickshaws, today these women entrepreneurs seem representative of a new promise.
ଯଦି ଆମେ କରିପାରୁଛୁ ଡ୍ରାଇଭିଂ କରିପାରୁଛୁ ରାତିରେ ପରିବା ଆଣିପାରୁଛୁ ତାପରେ କଷ୍ଟ ମାନେ ଫାର୍ମର ପାଖକୁ ଯାଇକି ତାଙ୍କୁ ଭେଟ କରିବୁ ତାଙ୍କ ଜିନିଷ ଉଠାଇ ପାରୁଛୁ ଆଉ ବିକ୍ରି ବି କରିପାରୁଛୁ ତାହେଲେ ନିହାତି ସମସ୍ତେ ମହିଳା କରିପାରିବେ ଆମକୁ ଦେଖିକି ଆହୁରି ମହିଳାମାନେ ମାନେ ଉତ୍ସାହିତ ହେଇକି ଆଗକୁ ବଢ଼ିବେ।
For many farmers, even those who don't store their produce directly, the cold rooms has given them the confidence to grow more without the fear of spoilage.
ଆଉ ସେମାନଙ୍କର ଖାଲି ବିକ୍ରି ଉପରେ ନୁହେଁ ତାଙ୍କର ଜୀବନଶୈଳୀ ଉପରେ କେମିତି ତାଙ୍କେ ବଢ଼ିବେ ଆଗକୁ ବଢ଼ିବେ ସେଟା ବି ଧ୍ୟାନ ଦିଏ ତାଙ୍କ ଘରର ଯେଉଁ ବି ପରିସ୍ଥିତି ଥାଏ ତ ଆମେ ସବୁ ମିଶିକି ସହଯୋଗ ହ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡେଲ୍ କରୁ।
କୋଲ୍ଡ ଷ୍ଟୋର ହେଲାକୁ ଟିକେ ଆମକୁ ଆରାମ ହେଇଛି ସବଜି ରଖିଲାକୁ ଠିକ୍ ହବ।
A UNDP survey reports that over the last 4 years, food wastage in Rourkela has dropped by 31%.
There was a evaluation done by JPAL. They found out that there was an enhancement of around 26% in farmers' income too.
Behind these numbers, a small group of women continue to work systematically to help stabilize the world of the small farmer and themselves.
Thanks for watching Eco India. If you like the story, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Scroll.in on YouTube.